Okay, see question number 24. The number of ways of getting a sum of 16, actually sum 16. A sum 16 on throwing a dice 4 times is. Okay, this question already I have done in permutations and combination, but that method was elaborative method and not a formula based method, and that method takes time, but it was very easy. This is also going to take little bit time only, but this is not that much easy, but you have to remember formula. Why? Because technically is this method correct. Okay, but if you don't want to remember more formulae, then you proceed that formula, or else you now follow this how I am doing. Number of ways of getting a sum of 16 means, see, normally if you throw any dice, see, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4, x power 5, x power 6 is going to come. What are these? See, die contains 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any one option is going to come. Why I am adding? Don't worry, even if I add also no problem. Why? Because see, for one throw this is going to come. It may come 6 or 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. For calculating number of ways, this also may come, this also may come. That is why we are going to add. But if you want to take only one throw, means one time we have to write. What about 4 throws? Power 4. Why? Because 4 times we are giving always. 4 times the same are going to come. See what you require. That means 16 has to come. How it is going to come? With one throw it is not going to come. First time it may come 2. Second time it may come 3, and the third time it may come 5, 8 plus 2, 10. Last time it can come 6. All multiplication. Then base is same. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 2, 16. Like this, one example I have told. Okay, that is why here every number is important. 1 also important, all 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are important. That is why you have to take all these 6 options. Okay. See how to know that number of ways for getting 16 means, see, coefficient of 16, x to the power of 16 you have to find. You have to find coefficient of x to the power of 16 term. Okay. Why? Because see, here also may come, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Several times it is going to sum up and it is going to come 16. That is why coefficient of x to the power of 16 term, if you are able to find, then that will be your answer. That should come 125. How it is going to come and all we will see. See, shall I take common here? X, if I take x common, x to the power of 4 is going to come outside. To the power of 4. If come x to the power of 4, this is going to become 1, this is going to become x, this is going to become x square, x cube, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, but O to the power of 4 is there still. Still 6 terms only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms only. Okay, number of terms, n. Why? Because we are going to do geometric progression now, sum. Okay, afterwards, after making this geometric progression sum, then you have to put 4 also, power 4 also. Now you tell me, you require x to the power of 16, but x to the power of 4 already have taken out. From this, what you require? X to the power of 12. X to the power of 4 into x to the power of 12 is equal to x to the power of 6, implies from 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 5 whole to the power of 4, we require what we require? We require x to the power of 12 term coefficient. You understand? From this, you require x to the power of 12. See how we are going to find x to the power of 12. Is it a geometric progression? Definitely. Why? Because see, x by 1 is x, x square by x is x, x to the power of 5 by x 4 is x. Then geometric progression implies a is equal to 1, and r is equal to x, common ratio, then number of terms are 6. Why? Because 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now see, sum is equal to this, sum is equal to, see how I am finding this sum, a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r is general formula, but here power 4 is also there. Okay, don't forget this power 4. This is up to here only sum. Okay, sum for this question. Okay, without this 4, this is general. With 4 for our question. Okay, now go. A is 1. 1 minus r is x. Number of terms 6 by 1 minus x whole to the power of 4, that is equal to, see, 1 minus x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 4 into 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4. Okay, this is in denominator. If it goes numerator, this is going to become minus 4. Why? Because see, you cannot divide, you have to multiply, then only you can find this coefficient. See, expansion of this is easy, but expansion of this until now we have not done. That one formula I am writing. Observe carefully. 1 minus x whole to the power of minus n. X is x only, but n is here 4. This formula I am writing. You see, 1 plus, see, both are negative. 1 plus n by 1 factorial plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial. See, here x we have to write. Here x will not come, but here onwards x will come. X plus n into n plus 1 into 2 factorial and x square plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus up to infinity it goes. Observe carefully what is the logic. See this one, 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4 expansion I am talking about. That is why I have not done this question in permutation and combination. In binomial I am doing. Expansion of binomial negative index. See, one term, that is why 1 factorial and x power 1. 2 terms, n into n plus 1, 2 factorial and x to the power of 2. 3 terms, 3 factorial and x cube. Okay, this formula I have to take. Now you first expand this. Why? Because see how many number of terms you have to take and all that also we have to know. See how I am doing. 1 minus x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 4c0. 1 power 4 minus 0 not required to write, and minus x to the power of 6 power 0 not required to write. Second term is going to come negative. Why? Because the 1 minus x will come means plus minus going to come. I need not explain to you much. Now write down 4c1. 1 you need not write, but x to the power of, see, minus already taken care, x to the power of 6 4c0 minus 4c1 and x to the power of 6 whole power 1. Okay, r. Now plus 4c2 x to the power of 2 is there, 6 power 2, that means 12. Plus I will write, but I don't take, see, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, but I don't take. Why? Because why? See, I require x to the power of 12 term coefficient. X to the power of 12 term I have taken, that's all. More I need not take. If I go beyond x to the power of 6, x to the power of 12, x to the power of 18 is going to come. That I don't require. That is why I will stop here only. Okay, now this expansion, what terms you have to make? Why? Because see, if you want to make like this up to x to the power of 12, it is going to become big thing. What terms you require, that term only you write. See, logic I want to tell. See here, this expansion I want to do with this multiplication. See what I want to say. Now see 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4 into see 4c0 minus 4c1 x to the power of 6 plus 4c2 x to the power of 12. Enough, exhausted. Okay, we don't require much. Now you tell me x to the power of 12 you require. Already x to the power of 12 is there. That means here x to the power of 0 term you require. That means see what you require I am writing here x to the power of 0 term. Okay, one term you require. Here x to the power of 6 is there. Small minus, that is not a different big thing. X to the power of 6 is there. Here x to the power of 6 is there means x to the power of 6 into x to the power of 6, x to the power of 12 will come. That means x to the power of 6 term you require. Now here x to the power of 0 is there. X to the power of 12 term also you require. Okay. Now what I do, in this expansion I will bring only these three terms and I will multiply with these terms. Understand the logic? Okay. Now see what I am doing. X to the power of 0 term. X to the power of 0 term means the first term only. Here x to the power of 0. But because here x to the power of 1 is there. This term we don't require. X to the power of 1 term we don't require. X to the power of 0 term. X to the power of 0 term is 1 only. See for this x to the power of 0 term. That means see x to the power of 0 term is equal to 1. Okay. Observe carefully here, whatever may be the n. See here, x is x only, but n only changing. N is here 4. Don't confuse you. Minus n means already minus is there here. Okay, don't confuse. N is 4. This n here power, but here it is multiplication. In the power, x is going to come. X power 1, x power 2, x power 3. That is the beauty of this formula. Okay. Now, for multiplication of this x to the power of 12 term, x to the power of 0 term we require, x to the power of 0 term is 1. That's all. Okay. Now, go for x to the power of 6 term. X to the power of 6 term I am writing. X to the power of 6 term. Observe carefully how I am writing. X to the power of 6 term means you see 6 terms you have to multiply. N is 4. That means see 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms you have to multiply. Divided by 6 factorial. 6 factorial means see 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. 6 factorial. X to the power of 6. X to the power of 6 we need not write. Why? Because the multiplication anyway it is going to come. Okay, now we see 4 to 9 is there? No, not there. 4 to 6 only is there. That means 4 to 6 first you cancel out. Then see 2 ones, 2 fours. 3 ones, 3 threes. That means what I can say 12 sevens are 84. I have written only coefficient 84. Here this is 1. Understand? Now I am removing the question. Why? Because you require answer 125. I am writing here 125 answer. Okay? I am removing the question. Okay, now see x to the power of 0 term coefficient is 1, x to the power of 6 term coefficient is 84. X to the power of 12 term coefficient you have to find. X to the power of 12 term coefficient is equal to, see power 12 means 12 times you have to multiply. 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 into 14 into 15. Twelve. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, up to 9, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Divided by 12 factorial. 12 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into 11 into 12. Okay? See, from 4 to 15 is there, but here 4 to 12 is there. That means if 4 to 12 I am cancelling. 4 to 12 I am cancelling. Okay? Now 13, 14, 15, here 1, 2, 3. See, 2 sevens. okay, and 3 5s and 13. That means see 35 into 13. 13 5s are 65, 13 3s are 39 plus 6 45. Is it okay? 13 5s are 65, 13 3s are 39, 39 plus 6 45, 455. Okay. See here what you are going to do? These coefficients. See, one coefficient is negative. 4C0 means what you require? 4C0 means x to the power of 12 coefficient. X to the power of 12 coefficient is 455. That means see 455 minus, okay. One more thing. See, 4C0 value is 1. That is why 1 into. Here minus 4C1 value is 4. 4C1 value is 4. 4 into this coefficient, x to the power of 6 coefficient. 84. Okay. Again, see plus 4C2. 4C2 value is how much? 4 into 3 by 2. 6. 6 into x to the power of 12. X to the power of x to the power of 1. See 1. 6 into 1. Okay, this is the coefficient. Okay, now see what is this? 455, 461. 55 plus 461. And 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. 336. That means see 336 if I make 11 minus 6, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 125. 125 is answer. Okay, see, even though this is a technical method or correct method, but this is also going to take much time. Choice is yours. You follow that procedure or this procedure. Okay, we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class for series and sequences. Okay, thank you very much.